Ready to unlock the potential of faster, cheaper Ethereum transactions? Let's dive into Coinbase's Base layer to blockchain. Base is designed to address Ethereum's scalability issues, offering significantly reduced gas fees and faster transaction speeds. Think of it as a superhighway built on top of Ethereum. First, you'll need to bridge assets from Ethereum to Base within your Coinbase account. Locate the bridge option, or use a compatible wallet like MetaMask to connect to the Base network. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet to the Base network, and then select the asset you wish to transfer, like ETH. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Once your assets are on Base, you can explore a growing ecosystem of dApps. From decentralized finance platforms to NFT marketplaces, Base offers opportunities to interact with Web3 at a fraction of the cost. Base supports smart contracts, allowing developers to build and deploy innovative applications. Gas fees are dramatically lower, making experimentation and everyday use more accessible. If you're a developer, Coinbase provides comprehensive documentation, SDKs, and a vibrant community to help you build on Base. Explore these resources to get started. Base offers a user-friendly and cost-effective way to engage with the decentralized web. With its scalability and tight integration with Coinbase, it's paving the way for mass adoption of blockchain technology.